Are you constantly broke no matter how much you earn? You're not alone, and the problem might not be your income. It could be your habits. Today, I'm going to share 10 money habits that are silently draining your bank account, and how you can break them, starting right now. Let's get into it. Number 1. Spending without a budget. If you don't tell your money where to go, it disappears. A budget isn't about restriction, it's about control. To fix it, use a simple budgeting method like the 50-30-20 rule. That's 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt. Number 2. Paying only the minimum on credit cards. Paying the minimum keeps you in debt way longer and costs you way more. To fix it, pay more than the minimum, even if it's just a little extra. Focus on high-interest cards first. Number 3. Not tracking your spending. Little expenses add up fast. That $5 coffee every day is $150 a month. To fix it, use a free app like Mint or just a Notes app on your phone. Track every dollar for 1 week, you'll be surprised. Number 4. Impulse buying. You see it, you want it, you buy it, then regret it. To fix it, use the 24-hour rule. If you want something, wait a day. Most of the time, the urge will pass. Number 5. Living paycheck to paycheck. If you're always broke before payday, you're stuck in survival mode. To fix it, build an emergency fund. Start with just $500, then build it up to 3 to 6 months of expenses. Number 6. No financial goals. Saving just because isn't exciting. To fix it, set small, clear goals, like save $1,000 in 3 months or pay off my credit card by December. Goals keep you motivated. Number 7. Ignoring subscriptions. You're probably paying for stuff you forgot you had. Streaming, apps, gym memberships. To fix it, review your bank statements once a month. Cancel what you're not using. That's instant savings. Number 8. Keeping up with others. Buying things to impress others is the fastest way to stay broke. To fix it, focus on your own goals. Wealth is quiet. Debt is loud. Choose wisely. Number 9. Not investing. If your money isn't growing, it's shrinking due to inflation. To fix it, you don't need thousands to start. Use beginner-friendly apps and start with small amounts. Even $10 a week adds up. Number 10. Thinking you'll figure it out later? Later becomes never. Time is your biggest asset, especially with money. To fix it, start today. Even one small habit change makes a big difference over time. You don't have to be perfect with money, but you do have to be intentional. Drop a comment below which of these habits hit home for you. And if you're ready to take control of your money, hit like, subscribe, and stick around. I've got more tips coming your way every week. This is Money Mint, and now you're one step closer to financial freedom.